Hey guys, it's your girl Jonna, and in this video I'm going to show you how I adjusted this really delicious looking recipe that I got during one of my WW meetings. Changed it from 7 points to 3 points just by switching out a few ingredients, and it's very family friendly, so check it out. 2 3/4 cups of water. Here's the 2 cinnamon sticks, a teaspoon of salt. There's the half a teaspoon of vanilla, and of course the actual oatmeal. These are my 3 apples diced. I'm adding to that, and the 2nd tablespoon of maple syrup. So give this a stir just to make sure everything is mixed in well. So this is how the oatmeal turned out. Everybody loved it, which is great because this is something I can cook for the whole family and still enjoy. This was only 3 points on the WW Blue plan. So hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.